With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given that there are two identical glass slabs of same thickness are joined to form a L shape as shown in the figure. Now a ray is incident on the combination as shown. Now the final ray will emerge, the final emergent ray will choose. We need to find what is the incorrect option. Okay, so this is basically the incident light ray which is making an angle of 45 degree with the surface. Now first of all, we just have a look at the case. For example, if this is a this glass slab. Okay, this is glass slab. Let's say this is glass, and here the medium would be air. Here the medium would be air. Now, if there is a light ray which is incidenting on this surface, let's say here. Okay, so what will happen? We just draw a normal. So from here, this is the rarer medium, and this would be the denser medium, and again it would be coming out of the air. So this would be a rarer medium as compared to this glass. So it will bend towards the normal. It would be bending towards the normal, and at this interface, it would bend away from the normal. Okay, like this. Okay, it would be bending away from the normal. Now let us suppose that this angle is I, which is known as angle of incidence. This is angle of refraction, and this would be the angle of emergence. So we know that this light ray and this light ray, they would both be parallel to each other, but there would be a shift between the two, and this shift is known as the lateral displacement. Okay, now lateral displacement is denoted as delta x. This value would be equals to T is the thickness, sine I minus of R, angle of incidence, minus angle of refraction divided by cos of angle of refraction. Now angle of R, that would depend upon the angle of incidence and also on the material. Whether if the material would change, then our this shift would change. If the material is same, then it would be same. Now this is the basic concept. Now here what will happen? Now here we can see that these two are the parallel surfaces. Here there would be air. Okay, this is our glass. So this we can call rarer medium. This would be the denser medium. Again, this would be the rarer medium. Now at this interface, we can just draw a normal. So this light ray is coming at an angle of what? At an angle of 45 degree from the surface. Okay, so this would be our angle of incidence. Now what will happen? So it would be bending towards the normal, because this is the rarer medium, this is the denser medium, so it would be bending like this. Okay, there would be some bending like this, away from the towards the normal. Now at this surface, by using the same concept, we know that angle of incidence would be same as the angle of emergence. Okay, so the light ray here, it would be going from the denser to the rarer medium, so it would just go away from the normal like this. Okay, it would be going away from the normal like this. Now in going away from the normal, what will happen? So this angle would be the angle of emergence, which would again be 45 degree. Okay, now there is a shift. We can just say that this was the initial path and this is the shift. So this is the shift. We call this as to be delta x1. Now this shift would be dependent upon the values of T, the thickness, I, R, and cos of R. Okay, these are the value. Now here, if the refraction takes place, what would be this angle? What is the angle of incidence? From the geometry, we can see that this angle is 45, so this angle would be 45. This interior alternate angle, so this would be 45 degree. Okay, this is 45. Total would be 90. Okay, now the angle of incidence is same as the angle of the incidence for this surface. Also, the thickness is also the same. That means what will happen? It would be bending. Now it would be onward. It would be bending towards the normal. It would be bending towards the normal, and then it would be following the same path. Why it would be following the same path? Because in this situation also the lateral shift would be same. And here we can observe that when the light ray is shifting in this condition, it would be shifting. If we just draw the path from this, it is shifting in this direction. Okay, we can say that it is the counterclockwise direction, CCW, counterclockwise. Now in this condition, it is shifting in the clockwise direction, and the value of the shift would be same. For example, here it is delta x, so here it would be delta x, but they would be this equal and opposite. So the total shift would be equals to 0. So we can say that delta x net, this would be equals to delta x1. Or we can say that x minus delta x, this would be equals to 0. That means finally there is no shift. So they would be passing through the point A itself. So come out at the point A. This is the correct option. But we need to find the incorrect one. Come out at, but not in the same direction as that of the this original ray. This is wrong because it is coming in the same direction. So we need to find the correct option. So this could be, this is one of the option. This for our question. Now it does not come out of the point A. So this is wrong because it is coming from the point A. So C is also incorrect. Does not come out from A. This is also wrong. So the correct option, or we can say that the incorrect option which we need to find would be B, C, and D. This, and this. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.